Lakshmi. I am studying 6th class. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Lohita. I am studying 6th class.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Pushita. I am studying 6th class.
Here is an science experiment which we are made, and the name of the experiment is water purification. What is water purification? Water purification is the process of water removal, undesirable chemical, biological contaminants, suspended solids and gases from public water systems often use a series of 4 water treatment steps. Those are removal of suspended impurities, filtration, aeration, chlorination.
Now I will explain the one of the step of called removal of suspended impurities. Water pumped with river or lake impurities. The suspended of the particles when the water is then set for filtration.
I will explain about second step, which is filtration. The water after sedimentation through the layers of sand and gravel. Here find the get removed. I will explain about third step called aeration. Air under pressure is then blown into the filtered water. This process is called aeration. Kills harmful microorganisms.
And here the last step was chlorination. The filtered water is the filtration of the chlorinated by adding water chlorine to it. Chlorine as kills all harmful and germs.